Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for November 4th to the 16th. November 4th to the 8th, we have an eastern Pacific ridge here that builds northward into the Arctic. We have another positive height anomalies here, and we have a trough in between extending from this upper low over northern Canada down into the eastern U.S. Models are in good agreement. Now, during this period, we expect that the eastern Pacific ridge will build inland, forcing this trough east. As this ridge builds into the west, causing dry conditions. Now, the pattern will also favor reinforcement of colder than normal air from the Rockies to the east, and moisture will be limited across much of the nation during this period, and it'll be mainly across the northern U.S. We have several clipper systems moving. You can see one here across the northern U.S. Brings snow here. This is GFS, European. And then we have another one coming down into across the northern Rockies. So it'll be there, and also across the south. Here we have a frontal system. We'll have moisture pooling here, and this will result in rain across the southeast. See several areas of rain across southeast U.S. That would be the only areas of precipitation. Okay, we're going to look now at the period for November 7th to the 11th, and the pattern remains generally the same. We have this ridge that builds up into the Arctic, still above normal heights in the west, trough with below normal heights in the east. So models of good agreement. As we look at the various models, you see very little change. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures west of the divide, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures are forecast from the plains to the Atlantic coast, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 to 8 degrees below normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for the western states, and I'm forecasting the probability of occurrence 35 to 40%. And then we have above normal precipitation here across parts of the northern plains, the Great Lakes region, into the northern northeast, and across the southeast, and the probability of occurrence is 35%. Looking at the period for November 12th to 16th, overall expecting a stable pattern with a ridge here in the west, trough in the east. Most models show it. However, the European ensembles builds this ridge further eastward, forcing this trough to lift to the north. So I think this is the outlier right now. I think the pattern would be more like this. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for this region here, and I'm forecasting anomalies near 6 degrees above normal, and we have below normal temperatures for much of this region here, and anomalies would be near 6 degrees below normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for California to the southern plains, and the probability of occurrence is 40%. And then we have an above normal precipitation here across the northern U.S. and for the southeast. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for November 4th to the 16th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.